students, now we'll start with session number 1 for chapter number 5, computational thinking and working with Python. So before starting with the chapter, we'll first of all learn how to install Python in your laptops, desktops or mobiles. Okay students, so we'll first of all see how to install Python in your laptops or desktop computer, right? So first of all, you'll go to the web and search for python.org. So this is the site that will open. Now from here, just go to downloads and click on Windows. Now from here, so you can see the newer releases of Python. Select Python 3.8.3 and after this go down in the website and just install Windows x86 executable installer if you have a 32-bit processor. This can be checked from the control panel. Just go to the control panel and check out your system. It will just tell you the system type. Mine is 32-bit. Yours can be 32 or 64-bit. So just check it out from control panel, systems option. So mine is 32-bit, so I'll be installing Windows x86 executable installer. If yours is 64-bit, then you can install Windows x86 64 executable installer. So whichever is the case, maybe you just install it, click on install button, your Python will be installed, right? After that, I've already installed it. It is actually in my downloads now. So after the installation, it means after copying up the Python 3.8.3, just go to downloads and double click on Python 3.8.3. Run the program from here. It will just take few minutes to be installed. Now here you can see add Python 3.8 to path option. Just check on this option and then click on install now. And this is how it will ask you that the program is going to make few changes in your computer. Click on yes, and this will be installed in a few minutes. Now when the installation is over, you can just check it on your start menu that ideally Python 3.8 32-bit is installed now. And we can now start working on Python. Okay students, so you can install QPython 3L from Play Store for your mobiles also. If you do not have laptops or desktops at your home, then you can work on Python by installing QPython 3L. So this is the icon for it. Just press the icon and this is the screen which will open. Okay, now if you just want to write a single line code, so you'll just use console over here. Like for example, a equals to 5 print A. So it will immediately give you the result. Otherwise, if you want to write a full coding, you have to go to the editor window. And now here you can start writing your code. Okay. Print A like this. And now first of all, just you can see that a save icon is there. Just press the save icon and give the name for the file. Let's suppose you have to use py extension for it. So now as we'll execute it, it will give you the output. Okay. So this is how, if you want to open a new file, just press new file button, blank file, and now the new file is open and you can work upon it. So this is how we can work on Python in mobiles.